It's our first full day in Munich and we are on our way out to our walking tour. Good morning, sir. We got a couple minutes before the tour starts. We found a bakery.
Gonna have Krapfen.
Oh, it's filled.
I think it's apricot. I don't remember what this is called.
Starts with a Q and it looks like very tasty. What do you think?
It's cheesy.
Oh, cheese. Always a winner. Two good ones, as we expected. We're sticky and gross. Now we're gonna go on our tour.
Shoot, I dropped a big chunk of cheese.
We need a moment of silence for the cheese. So the tour guide said that Glockenspiel here in Munich is the second most disappointing attraction in Europe based on TripAdvisor, second only to the Prague astronomical clock. What do you think?
It wasn't so bad.
Nah. Maybe it's because we saw the Prague astronomical clock first. But this one was good. There was some motion, there was some action, there was a joust, and the Gold Knight won. I thought it was pretty good. And the music was fun. The Munich Glockenspiel. The walking tour has ended. What do you think?
That's great.
Yeah, he did a great job. Super cold. It ended here in this building. This is the Hofbrauhaus, which is the birthplace of the Nazi Party. So, a little bit of an infamous place, but an important place in history. So right back there between those lions is where Hitler would stand sometimes to give speeches. And this is where he would rally the crowds. Also to the right over here, this spot right here, the police would stand there and there was a swastika, and if you walked by there you had to hold up your hand in the Nazi salute, and if you did not, the police would take you and ask you why you weren't doing that. And there's a place just up around the corner, a small alley that people would take a detour. This is the alley they would cut through in order to avoid the police. So this line right here that you can kind of see right here, people wouldn't want to come through here alone because then they get stopped and possibly detained. Because if you were stuck here, if you were caught here twice without good reason, then you would be sent to Dachau. What they would do is wait around the corner until 4 or 5 of them got together, and then they'd run around the corner fast and they'd go in a squirrely line so that the police would have a hard time catching them. That's what that represents. A lot of crazy history here. But this right here is a ginormous church. We're gonna go in there and see if we can warm up our feet. It looks amazing. So I got bratwurst with sauerkraut. Nancy got roast pork.
A potato dumpling, I think.
What do you think, Nance?
It was good.
Very German food, very good. Enjoyed it. It was heavy, it warmed us up, and it'll keep us, hopefully, for the evening. We've walked over to what we've been told is a medieval market. I don't know how that differs from the modern day markets, but we're going to go in and find out. the medieval market?
It was very nice.
It was kind of like a Renaissance fair. Nancy, come here. Look, I'm in the zone. Huh? That was a cold day. We had fun. We saw some cool stuff. The tour was good, but it's nice to be here next to our nice warm fire. And done for the day. We'll plan on bundling up and going out again tomorrow.